In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, Slack is a fantastic tool for team communication and collaboration, and getting started is really easy. So go ahead and grab your computer or smartphone, and let's create that Slack account together. First, if you're using a desktop, open your web browser and navigate to the URL slack.com/getstarted/create-new. This will take you to the page where we'll create our workspace. Now, for those of you who are on your mobile devices, don't worry, the steps are quite similar. Just open the Slack app on your iOS or Android device, or head over to the same URL in your mobile browser. Once you're on the page, you'll see a prompt that asks you to enter your email address. Go ahead and do that. After typing in your email, click on the Continue button. If you prefer, you can also sign up or log in through your Apple or Google accounts. It's a quick and easy alternative. At this point, Slack will send a confirmation code to your email. So open up your email inbox and look for that message from Slack. If it's not right at the top, you might need to check your spam folder, just in case. Once you find the email, there will be a code inside. Copy that code as you will need it to proceed. After copying the code, hop back to the Slack page where you left off. There will be a prompt asking for the confirmation code. Paste or type in your code, and click the Create a Workspace button. This is where the fun begins. Now you'll see a series of prompts guiding you through the process of setting up your new workspace. You'll need to provide a few details about your team and its purpose. Slack will ask for your team name, which could simply be your company's name, or something fun that represents your group. Think about what your team frequently does and make it relevant. Next, Slack may prompt you to invite members to your workspace. If you have team members in mind, you can enter their email addresses here. If you want to skip this step for now, that's perfectly fine too. You can always invite others later on. Once you've made these initial decisions and entered the necessary information, Slack will guide you through some customization options. You can choose a theme color for your workspace, set notifications preferences, and discover some interesting features that Slack offers, like channels and direct messaging. And just like that, you're all set. Welcome to Slack. You now have an account and workspace ready to go. You can start chatting with your team members either in private messages or by creating channels on topics you frequently discuss. Remember, Slack is designed for collaboration, so don't hesitate to explore the features and make it a hub for your team's communication. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create a Slack account. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.